Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use ghost effect using Capcut app. Now just go to Capcut app, click on new project option. Now choose a video that you want to use ghost effect. Click on in the bottom right add option. Now delete the other part of the video that won't take part in ghost effect, just like ending, and short the video. Now copy the video, in the bottom scroll it, and here you can see copy. Click on copy, click on the second video and make it overlay. Scroll here in the bottom and here you can see overlay, click on it, click on the overlay video and scroll in the bottom. Here you can see opacity, click on it, make it 50. Now here you can see beside the pause button, diamond shaped plus button, click on it, scroll here and again the diamond shaped plus button, click on it. Use your two fingers to zoom the video like this. Now here you can see in the last option graphs, click on it. Now go to animations. Click on the second option out. Click on fade out, the second one. And here the video is done. Click on the top right download button. So guys, this is how can you use ghost effect using Capcut app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.